Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Today I'm here with a new project to share with you. So let's take a look. So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm here to share with you a new project. This is my Yuletide Folio album that I created using the elements on my subscription box for the month of December. So if you guys like to be part of my subscription box, every month you get a new collection and little things here and there to create a project, and also with the box you have access to the full tutorial on making the project. And this is the one for the month of December. If you would like to have this particular box, I have it as a standalone. So what I went ahead and created is this 8.5 by 8.5 folio, and it is super interactive, really fun, and also it has a little room for pictures, and especially full-size pictures like 8 by 8 if you wanted to put some like that, or 5 by 7s. And I love how this turned out. So on the front here I have this little movable piece. I didn't want to glue this down because I don't know what size picture I'm gonna put here. Most likely it will be a 4 by 6, so I just have this as a little example of how the picture will be. I'm using some Prima flowers. Again, these are all part of the box. The spine is 1.5 inches, and this is the back. So I will also be having a video class option available for this, so everything you'll find on my website or on the description box below. Let's take a look inside. So when you open this book, we're gonna have two different sections here, and on this left side we have a little opening, place for a picture or journal. So this opens up like that, and then over here, place for pictures. You can do a collage or you can do a large image. Same thing on this side. This opens to the side like this, and then we have two 4 by 6 photo mats, and then this open up. You can add another one back there, and then this also opens here to the side, and over here we have a waterfall. So these all open up like that. So again, you can put 4 by 6 pictures, and of course you can put them on both sides. And then this whole thing opens and place for a 5 by 7. And then over here, again, the beautiful paper collection is just so pretty. And then so places for pictures. This opens up like that. Places for picture, large place for a picture here. So this is a 7.5 by 7.5. And so yeah, this closes up like that. So then this section opens up, and then we have a double pop-up or 3D page here, so you can add a picture there, and another one down here, and then of course a larger area for a picture. And then this whole thing opens up. So I created these little tabs using my leftovers, and I just really like how this looks. So it indicates that this page opens, and so this opens up like that. And here we have a double again, another 3D page to put two pictures, and then also more places for pictures on the side. And then this closes up and closes up, and back here we have a little hidden little pull out, and so this comes all the way out, and it's just kind of like a little folder where you can add more pictures. And I added another one of these little tabs, and then this just goes back here on the back of the page. So I always like having a little hidden pocket somewhere. So then this closes, and then this whole thing closes up like that. Then over here, this is another one of my favorite images. I mean, I love them all, and they're probably all my favorites, but this one is just so pretty, how they're ice skating, and she's just so beautiful. And then again, you can put a picture here on the side. This opens up like that. Again, beautiful design paper, so place for a picture. And then we have the red cardstock, and then over here we have a like an accordion fold trifold. So this opens down, and you're gonna see a lot of white because I obviously didn't have a lot of paper, but I still wanted to make a really fun interactive book. And again, this would all be filled up with pictures. So I did a little collage here. You can also do that. So if you don't want to see a lot of the white, you can break it down and make separate photo mats. But since I'll probably just be doing more 4x6s and journaling on the side on this book. And then this also opens up like that. So again, large place for a picture. And then just a little collage. And then this opens here, so another collage there. And then this opens one more time. And then another one of these side opening pages. So I like the side openings because you can put a large picture and then just you can use the whole area to document and journal, or again you can collage and put small pictures there. And then back here, the beautiful paper collection. So I try to incorporate a little bit of the paper, so we always have something beautiful to look at. And then on this side, as you can see, another pull tab. So you slide this out, and this is a kind of like a little sliding page, and this is attached to the book, so that one does not come out. And then another one of these beautiful images. Look how pretty. And then this opens up, so places for, you can put an 8x7 here. And then this opens and we have a pop-up, so place for pictures, same here. And then over here a place for a picture, which is also another little pop-up. So I like this double pop-up page. And then back here I just made this into a pocket, so two 5x7 5x3.5 photo places, and this whole thing closes and slides into the folio like that. So it's almost like a 3-section folio, but one is kind of like a hidden page there. So yeah, so that is the walkthrough of the Yuletide folio. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you like how this turned out. I'm always excited when I have a new project to share with you guys, and I had a lot of fun with this one, as I always do. And so yeah, I'm gonna have on the description box below the link to my subscription box if you're interested on that. I will also have a video class only option for this book. And I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.
Our lives were not meant to collide from the start, but who could foresee the fall